Lot number 149 is a 2002 Bluebird school bus. This one has 246,000 miles. It's being sold as a junk vehicle. It's missing many parts. The engine is dismantled. Transmission appears to be in place. Doesn't look like it was wrecked. Looks like it's got a straight chassis. The front cap is cracked and it's included. Can't leave it behind. I don't really see. It's cracked your balance. This one doesn't look too bad. It definitely shows stress cracks, but yeah, right here it's got a hole from where the mirror ripped out, I guess. Either way, it goes with the bus. Can't leave nothing behind here. It's missing many parts, but the body itself is straight. It's got 2 batteries in here. The wheels and tires look good. It's got all the glass. And it's probably wet and moldy inside because some of the windows are open, but these old buses, they're pretty dry. They have all the windows. This could be a good storage. There's many good parts here. And there's many parts missing. It's got 2 roof-mounted AC units. They look rough. All right, so there it is. It's a junk bus. It's missing the whole entry door. There's only one piece left. There's no glass. It's missing the whole entry door. All right, it's lot number 149. Remember, you must transfer the title and you must get an appropriate tow truck to come and pick this bus up. We're not allowing you to pull it out with your pickup truck. It's lot number 149. Good luck.